What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another project with the Corvette. We'll be installing this front lip. I'll show you guys how to do it. This is a slightly different front lip than you see on like 90% of Corvettes. I mean, this one is eBay as well, but it's a little bit bulkier, so I'm hoping I'll like it because it's going to mess up the side profile of the Corvette a little bit, but it should make the front end look a lot more aggressive. I just shot it with some gloss black. The paint that I use is just more of a temporary thing than anything because I do want to wrap it in the carbon fiber that we used for the roof and the carbon fiber that's on the rear wing. So this gloss black is only temporary. I just wanted to get it on the car, and yeah, hopefully the product will turn out great. It should be pretty simple. Only thing we have to do is remove this brush guard thing that scrapes on everywhere. I can't wait to get rid of that. And then start mocking it up. So here's what I bought. Bought some brackets, and then I painted those black too, just to make it look a little bit cleaner underneath, even though I know it's going to get scratched up. And then just some nuts and bolts and washers. So we're going to put it on the car, and hopefully it'll make the front end look super awesome. I mean, I am worried on how we're going to get out of this driveway, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. So let's get the project started. Alright you guys, I got the car jacked up. I'll show you the brush guard that we got to remove and how to remove it. It's this piece right here. It scrapes on everything. So it's just a couple 7mm little bolts right there. So we'll remove those ones, and then we'll remove the other side, and then hopefully we'll be able to start mounting the front lip. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we got the two brush guards off. I don't know exactly what they're called, but I'm calling them brush guards. They're just held together by these three 7mm machine screws. So got that off. Now we can start putting the bumper or the front lip while the landscapers outside doing their own things. I'm probably all nasty and looking, but we got it mounted. I mean, it looks pretty cool. I just removed the jack stand because I want to lower the car here in a second. But here's what I did. I mean, we got the brackets mounted. They worked out pretty well. I used the screws from the brush guards that we used earlier, so those mounted in there, and then we used the nuts and bolts right here, and the nuts are also locking, so it shouldn't come undone while we're driving, but it came out pretty solid. I mean, it will flex a little bit just because the material, but I'm super happy with how it came out. You can't see the nuts from the front of the car, so that's another plus. So yeah, let's get the car lowered, and I'll show you guys what it looks like under the sun. I mean, I'm a little disappointed that we had to remove the brake cooling ducts, but I think I can cut the lip and fit them. So that'll probably be my next project, but I won't show that on video because it's kind of boring. But that's what I'll do with that, because I really want to have that brake cooling system for when we hit the track. I mean, this is not track focused whatsoever, and more than likely I might even take it off, but I'm happy with how it looks. So yeah, I'm going to lower the car, get it in the sun. One thing I don't know how I'm going to do is get it out of the driveway, because you see that incline, that's going to be hard to get out of. Who knows, maybe we'll drive through the neighborhood real quick and get on out of here. So I'm going to lower the car and show you guys here in a second. Alright you guys, here's the car with the new front lip installed. Looks pretty mean from the front. Definitely like it from the front. The only thing I don't like I was saying earlier, is the side profile. So if you notice, see how high it comes up, and then we got red over there. So maybe if it was black all the way through, or if the front lip sat lower, I'd be more pleased. But overall, I think I like it. I mean, I'll rock it for a little bit. The suspension's sitting a little high because I gotta lower it and let it settle for a little bit. So I don't want to lower it just yet. Next, we're getting new tires. So front lip looks great, especially with our black headlights that we made. So yeah, I mean, I'm pleased. For $100, can't go wrong with that. I think I will wrap it in carbon fiber though. Comment down below if you think that it should be carbon fiber to match the roof and the wing, or if we should just leave it black. But I think it looks pretty sick, so I'm happy with it. Hopefully it'll hold up to speed. I mean, I've never mounted one of these before, but the brackets seem pretty sturdy still. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, it's super hot out, so I gotta go shower and clean up. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next adventure that we go on. Peace.